I'm supposed to be going to Blaenavon to see the man engine today, which is a giant sort of industrial puppet that's like 11 metres high. But we've been waiting for the bus. There's supposed to be a shuttle bus every 15 to half an hour, and about 4 have gone past and we've been really full, and nothing for the last 40 minutes. So the likelihood of actually going to see this, because it starts really soon, and it's going to take about 50 minutes to get there, and by the time we get there, it'll probably be gone. Give it a couple more minutes, otherwise I might do something else instead. Here at last, the bus came eventually. It was quite full, not everyone could get on, but we got on. You excited then?
Yeah.
Anticipation?
Oh, I'm really looking forward to it. I've been looking forward to it for weeks.
Hope it's worth it. It will be.
It will be.
It's the ironworks at Blaenavon, one of UNESCO's World Heritage Sites, along with the Taj Mahal. Waited and waited. I went all the way to the start of the route. Somebody said that it had been up, this big puppet, but they had to dismantle it, and they were expecting a parade, but then they put it back on a lorry and then nothing happened. So it's supposed to be here now, and it's not here now. Now there's a concert in this part, but you have to pay £3 and it's sold out. So maybe they'll wait till they go in there and the paying customers can see it. So all the people that are crowding on the route aren't going to see it. People all the way down for about half a mile, nothing's happening. See, if I was planning a parade, I would plan other things around the parade rather than just the one thing in the parade that's clearly broken down or something, because there's a lot of people just sort of standing wondering what's going on at the moment. Ooh, I can hear a band. Something's coming. Something's happening. A truck with... It's probably on a float. Yeah, probably. They said that they were expecting it to walk.
I assume all this noise means it's still coming this way.
Yeah,
possibly. Something's happening.
Something's happening. Oh, there's a lot of smoke.
Big coach got in the way. Just as there's something coming, the coach went the wrong way.
What the hell is going on?
What? There really needs to be more organisation here. Oh dear.
Oh, no, they're not.
Out the way! Hedgehog.
That's supposed to be a piece of coal.
Presumably.
Doesn't look like coal to me.
He's not even erect, no.
What?
Oh, right. Well, presumably the man that's supposed to see that on the track, his arms moving. He's supposed to be moving around. We're not going to get to see him, I don't think.
Well.
We'll move the earth for you is their slogan, but not the actual big old puppet. Hopefully, I don't think we're going to get and see it. There's his head. He's in pieces. He's winking anyway. Hello, puppet.
Come on, give me that.
Well, he's supposed to be up on his feet, but I don't think he's going to be. Not that we can see him anyway. And that's it. Really? Come on. I think maybe the people that are paying might see him on his feet, but there's a lot of waiting for no reason here. Come on. It's just... what? Very unimpressive so far. I think they might erect him in there, but yeah. So this is disappointing, isn't it?
Absolute rubbish.
Because they had to dismantle it because there was a bridge in the way that they didn't realise.
Apparently.
Yeah.
We saw his head.
Yeah. And it's sort of his arm.
Probably right, okay.
He's just sort of stuck there for the foreseeable future, I think. Somebody said they saw him on his feet, but I'm not sure he's going back on. Wow. Yeah, promised a parade.
I didn't know there was a way in now. I thought it was a dead end on this.
Oh, look. It's carrying on. It's still not on his feet. And they're making some sort of messy noise. Why are they doing that? Danger high explosives. So, talking to lots of people, everybody's disappointed and it was a bit of a mess. Yeah. Go in. Is it actually going to move? Is it going to move though? Is it going to do anything? No sign of movement. I think it died. Something's happening. Is the hydraulics working? Something's happening.
Something's happening.
Something happening. Really slowly. Can't really see it past this. Come on.
In the riff wrapping.
Come on.
One of these for their friends. Like, I mean, it's like friends, if you're happy with your friends, then
The youngest out of the three of ours is going to yeah. Maybe gone. I think Benji just vanished.
James will have, when he's finished with James, he'll have sex, and then George will have sex.
Oh, yeah. And then you baby as well.
Oh.
Sister. My grandson. They got a new sister.
A human one.
Because I know they got a puppy, haven't they? Because Joe's posting pictures of
No, a girl.
a human one.
A human one.
Now she's a baby girl.
Oh, well.
You see it from here. Come on. No. Oh my goodness.
That was a disabled toilet, and of course it was full of.
Oh no. So the toilets are blocked.
The one toilet.
Oh my goodness. There's 3,000 people here.
This is what you call unbelievable.
What is actually happening?
No, but we can't see it from here, so. It's all marshy.
I don't want to be bothered with waiting anymore.
No, I'm fed up. I'm just going to take a picture of the newspaper cutting so you know what it looks like.
No,
What?
I've never seen that.
Yeah. Oh, right, yeah. Ironworks is great, but this puppet's not so great. Yeah, it'll probably start as soon as we're gone. But we've waited a long time and I'm really hungry, so I think we might go away. Well, my mum's given up and gone home, so she's going to make us some dinner. But we're going to probably wander around Blaenavon and see the many sights of Blaenavon. So we can't see much here now, but something's gone in the way, so there's going to be no visibility from here at all. If it even starts up, nothing to see. I'm off. Maybe something from this side. Maybe something's going to happen soon.
Oh, it's all organised, isn't it?
Have a crack in a railing. Waiting so long, nothing's happening. Cold and I'm hungry. Put a tarpaulin thing on the ship. They put a tarpaulin on it. I don't know whether that means it's going to move soon.
If they was gone, I know we picked up on that, on the health
Or maybe it just means that he's given up.
Think of it, Anne? Rubbish. What do you think of it?
Nothing happened. We're going to go home because nothing's happening. I think it's broken.
Apparently it's supposed